If you want ChatGPT to open automatically every time you start Google Chrome, this quick setup will save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make ChatGPT your Chrome startup page so it launches as soon as you open your browser. It's a simple change, but it can make your workflow faster and a lot more convenient, especially if you use ChatGPT every day. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the More icon, which is the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings near the bottom. Now that you're in Chrome settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click On Startup. This section controls what Chrome does every time it launches. By default, Chrome may open a new tab or continue where you left off, but we want to change that so it opens ChatGPT instead. Here, select the option that says Open a specific page or set of pages. This tells Chrome to open one or more chosen websites every time you start the browser. After selecting that option, click Add a new page. A small window will appear asking for the site URL. In the site URL field, type or paste https://chatgpt.com. Make sure the address is entered correctly so Chrome knows exactly where to go when it starts. Once the URL is in place, click Add, and that's it. Chrome is now set to open ChatGPT whenever you launch the browser. The next time you open Google Chrome, it should take you straight to ChatGPT automatically, which makes it much easier to begin working right away. If you ever want to change this later, just come back to the same On Startup settings and edit or remove the page from the list. That way, you stay in full control of what opens when Chrome starts. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.